What up, YouTube fam? Back at it again with another vlog on my weight losing journey. And to be honest, today is probably one of the hardest days since I've started this journey. I'm literally fighting with my brain. Like my body has no energy. It's not helping me. And it's just in my head. And I feel like mentally I'm not here. I'm struggling to go up. But I think this is what makes us want to earn it more, you know? So I don't know if you guys ever had that when your mind's just telling you to quit, to go back. And you really start thinking about it. That's what I'm feeling today. I'm so exhausted. I'm still going uphill. I'm fighting with my brain. I'm fighting with my body. I've been fighting with myself. But if I really want to accomplish what I set out to be, I have to be a man of my word. I don't know if it's because it's too hot. I didn't get enough rest. I don't know. But today's been challenging. I'm sorry if I'm breathing hard. But I wanted to get on here so you guys can know my struggles. I don't know how much I've lost, but people are starting to notice that I've been losing weight. I don't know if I should get on the scale tonight to try to motivate myself more or just keep pushing. But this is probably the hardest day. Like mentally. I don't know, what do you guys do when you guys are mentally challenged? I know it's gonna feel rewarding once I'm done. So I'm trying to get to the point where I always take my break. But man, I'm pushing myself, guys. I'm really pushing myself. And yeah, some of you guys are gonna say don't push yourself too hard, but isn't this what makes the dream work? By pushing yourself where you're uncomfortable, when your back's against the wall, when nobody believes you, but the only person that believes is yourself. I'm literally fighting like hard. I want to push myself. I gotta finish this. I gotta finish what I started. Maybe tomorrow I'll take some time off from this hill. There's Claremont Loop. And maybe I'll do like hiking but around my neighborhood, just to give my body a couple of days of rest. Maybe that's what it needs. But for now, I gotta keep pushing. I wanna show you guys that I could do it. Especially if you guys are following me. I'm doing this to inspire at least one of you guys. You know, one of you guys that have issues and weight loss. I'm just a regular guy that I started this journey about 2 weeks ago. And I've been going hard every day. The only day I rest is Sunday. But besides that, man, I wanted to get on here and let you guys know how hard it is today. But I think this is gonna be my strongest day. I think it's gonna help me mentally, and it's gonna make my brain stronger. But anyways, guys, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. And yes, it's super hot today, but I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching, and God bless you all. I love you guys. Peace.